All right, ladies and gentlemen, we're here with Andrei Poliakov of APX Lending at the Blockchain Futurist Conference in 2024 here in Toronto, Ontario. Andrei, welcome to the show.
Thank you, thank you.
Our show is called DYOR Live. For you new viewers out there, what we do is we bring good projects and good information to everybody to learn about the markets and learn about investing in crypto. One of the areas we have not really covered is the lending in crypto.
That's right.
APX does lending via the crypto industry. Tell us, what is the history of APX? Where'd you come from?
Absolutely, and pleasure, and thank you for having me. So APX Lending is a crypto-backed lending platform focused on compliance, safety, and security. So what we provide as a service is the ability to borrow either fiat currencies like the Canadian dollar or the US dollar, or stable coins like the USDC, using Bitcoin or Ethereum as collateral. What we focus on is a very safe, secure, and compliant experience.
So, Andrei, tell us, the lending industry in crypto took a beating a few years ago with a couple of unnamed companies.
That's right, it did.
How is the market different now for lending, and how does APX address those concerns?
So I think that's a great question, and I think the industry has matured a lot over the last several years. The way that APX is going about this is with a very strong focus on regulatory adhesion. So we are registered with FINTRAC in Canada, with FinCEN in the US. We have an application for registration with the OSC in Canada. We're going through a SOC audit right now. So that very strong and sort of approach to regulation.
Right, the SOC audit is very thorough.
It is. A SOC 2 audit is nothing to joke around with.
Now, do you have exposure to the Bank of Canada's PSP program, the payment service providers?
No, we do not.
Because you're registered with FINTRAC?
Exactly, with FINTRAC, exactly.
As the American here, I'm starting to figure out the Canadian marketplace.
That's right. It's a little bit different, but it's similar.
So in the past, we'll say bad actors in the industry took people's cryptos that was supposed to be custodied, supposed to be in custody for them.
That's right.
And then rehypothecated it and relent it out. That process seems to an end. Tell us, what is APX's strategy to dealing with clients' funds?
Right. So the way we approach that is by design eliminating that entire possibility. When we take your collateral, we do not rehypothecate it, we do not reinvest it, we hold it with a qualified custodian, insured, and most importantly, it's visible to you, the borrower, on the blockchain for the duration of your loan. So you don't have to take my word for it. You can go on chain and you can see your collateral in cold storage. And that's how we completely eliminate the possibility of us doing anything untoward with your collateral.
All right, so you have that stuff. It's on the blockchain. How is it stored? How can you keep the bad actors from getting a hold of that?
So I have a very long experience and history in the crypto industry. I previously ran a company called Coinberry, which was one of the largest licensed crypto exchanges in Canada. So I ran that company from 2017 to 2022. And a plethora of experience, obviously, dealing with with penetration tests, hacking tests, all those things, to make sure that the technology that I build and I bring to the market is safe and secure. Most importantly, we hold your collateral with qualified custodians that are insured. So we work with one of the top-tier qualified custodians in the world to custody that collateral.
Well, that brings a good sense of safety and security to everybody. So you have many products. Are these? Is the lending available to individuals or businesses or corporations? Who's your target market?
Yes, absolutely. So we have a lending platform available at apxlending.com where borrowers in Canada and the US can apply and get loans. We also have a white label solution that we offer to banks, credit unions, financial institutions, or the fintechs that are looking to offer crypto-backed lending services to their end clients, and we've been seeing a lot of demand for that solution globally. So there's, to your point about how's the industry changed, there's a lot of interest from institutional players, banks, credit unions that are looking to get into the space and start offering these services to their end clients, and that's where our white label solution comes into play.
Earlier we heard Lucas Matheson, the CEO of Coinbase Canada, talk about how the wealth in Canada is 80% of the wealth in Canada is managed by professionals. So obviously those people, that's a great target market for all types of crypto products, and maybe not just in lending, but in derivative products and counterparty agreements and that type of stuff. How does APX see themselves getting into the institutional markets?
Well, we offer our services to both retail borrowers and institutional borrowers. So we have two sort of tracks there. So we offer white glove service, obviously, to our commercial institutional borrowers, and we offer loans up to $10 million in value. So they're quite large for our commercial clients.
All right. So you've told us the products. You told us how you're regulated well, safe and secure. What's next for APX?
So I'll be making a very exciting announcement in about an hour about our global expansion, and I want your viewers to tune in. I don't want to make that announcement 50 minutes too early.
I tried.
But let's just say we have a lot of exciting things on the go, and we have a global vision for our business, and so that announcement is going to be in line with the expansion pertaining to that global vision.
Good luck with that, and good luck with your announcement.
Thanks so much, sir.
Thanks for coming on the show.
Thanks, Jules.
Appreciate it.